All right, let's have a quick update of the markets. I think things are starting to shape up a bit now, as in it's getting clearer what's happening. So the buyers right now are fading out, fading away. And we can see this across all markets. I think prices are going to come, when they do come down, they're going to come down here one more time before they go up some more. What I mean by that, let me go to the daily and I can explain. So I don't think they right now have enough power, enough strength to get up to this level. What I'm anticipating instead is prices to continue to push up, but I think they'll fade out around about here and then come down before resuming to try to break this level. That's what I think it's most likely to happen. It's going to take some time. I reckon the drop down to this level will happen this week, but before it happens, we need the buyers to essentially be faded out, to die out. And let me clear this up. Let's move this a bit, just a bit. So at this point, what I'm anticipating is for prices to come down, maybe base out round about here, make another attempt upwards, come down again, make a final attempt to try to break this level, and then crash. So we still got some ways to go still. Excuse me. We still got some ways to go still, but I think this is shaping out to be a big drop down to the 6,800 level before prices can resume upwards to break to get up to the 7,200 level. That's what I'm seeing on this market. Let's have a quick look at other markets. I think all markets right now are correlating. So once the drop happens, in one market, we'll see it in other markets. Yeah, same thing I'm seeing on this market. Just need the buyers to fade out. Let me move this forward a bit. So we have this push up. I am anticipating a pullback to this level. I think this guy right here is going to be challenged again, these buyers. So I think sellers are going to come down one more time to here, and these guys right are going to respond, and then I want to see what the sellers do to that response, and then give the buyers one more attempt. And as soon as it's confirmed that they're not able to break this level, we'll have a drop. That's what I'm seeing on those two markets, and also on FTSE. Sorry, not FTSE. Also on Wall Street. Why did I forget the name? We have this push up, and then this push up. I think Wall Street again needs to come down to this level. Let's go to the hourly time frame. Yeah, so we have this push and then this push. I'm anticipating a push down to around about here at the think here, maybe even here, maybe. But in any case, a pullback, push up, pull back, one more attempt up. Prices not being able to get up to here with this last attempt and then drop. Yeah, all markets are correlating. It's just going to take some time. It's going to take some time for all of this to play out, but I think the drop will happen this week. I think towards the end of this week is when it will happen. Could be complete. The timing could be completely off, but so far this is what I'm seeing. I think once we see these guys come down, I'll have a better excuse me. I'll have a better sense of the timing, because these guys could come down quite aggressively. Instead of to this level, they break and reach this level. And if that were to happen, I don't think there's going to be much opportunities for buyers anymore. It's just going to be one more attempt, not able to make this high, and then drop. So it all depends on how the sellers respond, and they are likely to respond this. I was gonna say this evening, but it's really tomorrow. Well, it's really when the Asian markets open tonight. I think that's when we're going to see the sells potentially, but tomorrow morning will really be when we see the first leg of sellers coming down, I think. So just have to be patient and give this a bit more time to play out. When it does, once we have something like this, then we can say, okay, start tracing the buyers who will most definitely respond from right about here. And also, once we have that, we can say this leg that's coming up potentially is not going to be stronger than this leg. Which would again be further confirmation that buyers are fading away and sellers are likely to step in at some point pretty soon. Yeah, see, on this time frame we're seeing that sellers are going to come down to this during Asia. Yeah, I think during Asia we'll have this drop. Yeah, we'll see what happens, but so far it's looking good in terms of sellers. Just have to wait just a bit more and it will all play out. It will all reveal itself, I should say, in the next several hours. All right, I'll leave it there for now. Bye for now.